Sheebah, who is the oldest?
Osaga.
Noza okudamu ekibuuzo ekyo Victoria University ekola press conference.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
We are Breakfast and Wine. This is at 2023. Almost the last. We are towards the last one.
Yes.
We've seen you attending almost every Breakfast and Wine.
Yes.
What you call out here?
Ate nkikola ntya nkola sente zange nenzija nenzirya. Yes.
And you're complimentary.
Ekituufu kyo, I am Hellen Lukoma. Nfuna ebyobwerere ate mbyagala. But at the end of the day, I gotta come support. I have to come enjoy life. Life is too short. So yes, nfuna ebyobwerere nenzija nembirya.
And when we talk on this edition, what's special with this edition tonight?
All editions are special to me. I love Blankets and Wine. We meet a lot of people, classy people. We can't. It's a time to interact. This time, as I said, obulamu bumpinyo banange. When I feel like I have to enjoy, I have to enjoy. Yes.
Let's talk about fashion. How have you seen the fashion tonight, like around?
Omanye ekintu kya fashion buli omu akifiringa mu ngeri ye. Nze nsanyuka nnyo nga ndaba abantu bambadde ebintu byabwe ebinyumye ebitanyumye tugendera awo. Abalowooza nti banyumye ne tugendera awo. Basically, I can't say nti fashion ali atya, but I'm very excited okulaba abantu, a variety of people. I'm good to go.
You had a fashion show like that took us some time doing it every year. It was a yearly event. When we talk about fashion with you, we're talking with the right person.
Yes, I didn't have one fashion show. I had many fashion shows. Genesis, where twaletanga different designers, where twaletanga different fashion collectors. I know something about fashion. Nesobola kugamba buli omuntu yali right and wrong, but I'm excited to see a variety. Yes.
Let's talk about your fashion.
Yes.
What made you put on like this? What are you putting on?
What am I putting on? Nyambadde kantu, kagenda kunywa bintu, tekaswaza, kagwa mu myaka, ready to go. Ate nkogere coach, nakagula sente nyingi. Tugende.
So let's start with a shoe.
Engato yange ya sente nyingi akiwakana agende wa jajjawe. Kaako namu. Kanywa omwenge tekalwana n'amazzi kaganywa.
Then we talk about this, you so fleshy, everywhere flesh.
I am not fleshy, ni mukazi mutono. Nayenga, what can I say? My friends, tulabira wano. Tokisusa, mujja tugende maso.
So tonight, what do you expect?
I expect life to the fullest. Ndine mikwano jange, ndine baganda bange. I have my security. Basically, life to the fullest. I don't expect anything. Kasite nkuba tetonya, tiwaba wankuba bikonde, banga nange njamuwa. So yeah, tugende mas.
Kati wadda mbikonde?
Nsobola wonangu awo baby.
Era nasobola okuwa omuntu ebikonde?
Ngezaako.
Mwatandise ebintu ebyo abayimbi.
Tewali kutumanyirira nammwe. Mususiza. Mususiza.
Bwe tugendako wano abakazi nga mwefuze industry ennaku zino.
Women empowerment.
Bato ogwawo.
Osaga. Osaga kansooke nywemu nkuddemu. Ngenda funa amazzi nja kuddemu leeta on. Naye nga gw'olaba ekibuzo ky'obuziza. Nabadde eri n'engula engato. Bwe naguze engato ne nzitwala omusajja ozitunga. Bwe yatuuse okuzitunga n'aŋŋamba nti tugende wa jjajja, ne ngende wa jjajja ne ntwalayo abaana. Kale nze simanyidde ddala ky'obadde obuuza. Saga.
Walimu obsessions nga mulimu ne Sheebah.
Obadde ogamba ki?
Walimu obsessions nga mulimu ne Sheebah. By then Cindy alatandise oyimba.
Ne gwe okimanyi nti maama wange yankubidde essimu n'aŋŋamba mutwalire alabe ku baana. Okimanyi nti enkya ngenda keera ku makya genda kukola wowe.
Nga watya nnyo.
Saga. Okutya ki?
Watya nnyo abo ababiri kiki?
Naye nga gwe okimanyi ngenda kuwayo akasente nga tuvudde wano.
Hello. Yes. How are you?
Good, Sheebah. How are you, sir?
We're good. We're feeling the vibes of blankets and white.
Yes, as usual, multi-choice. We're about entertaining, and today we are hosting a couple of our stakeholders. We have people who are stars in the show. We have our partners who help us do the things that we do. We have you, members of the press. We have then we have those who have just come to enjoy life.
Okay. We've seen you guys partnering with blankets and wine year in, year out. So what's the experience and what's so special with this edition tonight?
So for us, it's about bringing the stars to the people. So blankets is one of the events that brings, you know, people, and so we want them to meet the stars. You've seen the stars, some of the stars from Sanyu. Oh no, Lucy.
Series. One of the oldest actresses in the industry.
Excuse me. I'm only 34 years. Me, just 18. Yeah.
I've seen you acting over like 50 years.
No, just I'm Manuela the Incarnate.
No, I don't want to see that repeats. Edgemate.
Sweetie, how are you? Who's Edgemate? I'm 18. What are you? What age? Mama, we are Edgemate. 18. We are 18. Why you got 18? Me, I'm 20 at least. At least 20 just.
20 just.
20, okay.
Yeah,
20 years older than us. 18. When we're in
So let me ask you. You are the Sheebah who is the oldest.
Osaga.
Ndoza okudamu ekibuuzo ekyo Victoria University ekole press conference yono ne Sheebah ani asinga obukulu
kubanga ono yali yayingira profession. Sheebah yakusookamu wamusooka?
No, nze yasookamu Sheebah. Yes. No necessarily. Yayingira late, but we are the same age bracket, yes.
18 years.
18.
Yagamba ali 33.
Kyekyo. Tugendera awo ani asasula kikyoliko. Tugendera awo saga.